Hello everyone, it's me again. The rising Layer 1 blockbuster combining the hot AI trend, Talus Network, has just successfully raised $9 million from prominent names like Polychain Capital, Foresight Ventures, and Animoca Brands. Upon hearing AI, Layer 1 plus such heavyweight backers, do you sense a whiff of profit in the air? Are you ready to start farming this potential retroactive deal with me to receive a significant airdrop in the future? Welcome to the Airdrop Go channel, your go-to source for in-depth information on standout airdrop projects. So, what makes Talus Network so remarkable? To put it simply, this is a brand new Layer 1 blockchain, but the special aspect is that it employs the Move programming language, just like Aptos or Sui, which we have previously profited from significantly. Talus aims to build a decentralized ecosystem for AI agents. Just imagine, AI no longer under the control of centralized giants, but operating on a blockchain, which is more transparent and secure. You can utilize it to create automated trading AIs, manage investment portfolios, interact with dApps, and the potential is immense. With $9 million backed by top investment funds, it is clear that Talus is not to be underestimated. This signals strong developmental potential and the likelihood of substantial airdrops for early users like you. Do you remember the previous Layer 1 projects like Aptos and Sui? Those who participated early had the chance to receive airdrops worth thousands and even tens of thousands of dollars. Talus Network is following a similar path, and we are currently in a very early stage. Sounds exciting, right? So, without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to visit the project's website. This is the official website to participate in this airdrop program. Next, you will click on Connect. A sign-in window will appear. There are 3 options for logging in, but I recommend selecting Email for ease. Enter your email in the blank field and click Continue. Next, the project will ask you to verify your email. You will access your email, copy this code, return to the Talus website, enter the code in the verification code field, and then click Continue. Okay, now I have successfully logged in. This will be the main interface of the project. Here, the balance section displays the points you currently hold. If any of you have been following my channel, I previously guided you on participating in tasks for this project. So, these are the points from my earlier participation, and the project has continued to credit them to me in this season. Moving on to the first task in the onboarding section, join Talus Discord. Click the Go to Server button. The website will automatically redirect you to Discord. Here, click Accept Invite to join the project's Discord server. In Discord, you can participate in the Missions section to earn additional points by completing tasks on Platform X. After joining the Discord server, return to the Talus Community Hub website and click the Claim button to receive your points. Next, to complete the subsequent task, you need to verify the Explorer role in the Discord server. If you already have this role, proceed by clicking the Go to Server button for verification. After that, click the Claim button to receive your points. Next is the Telegram task. Click the Connect Telegram button. A Telegram authorization pop-up window will appear. Click Accept. Once connected to Telegram, return to the Talus website and click the Claim button to receive your points. Next, I will connect my SUI wallet. Click the Connect button. A notification window will appear. Click Connect Wallet and select your SUI wallet to complete the process. Similarly, for the EVM wallet, click the Connect button and follow the steps. After successfully connecting your MetaMask wallet, return to the Talus website and click the Claim button to receive your points. If the project does not show the Claim button yet, you may need to refresh the web page for an update on your points. For the check-in task, you will need to log in daily to earn points from the project. Next, you will create a post on Platform X and use the hashtag #TallyConquest to earn additional points. Additionally, you can earn more points by completing the social media tasks in the Engage and Follow Us sections. These tasks are quite easy, so I will quickly breeze through them. Next, in the role collector section, you should actively engage in Discord to receive the corresponding role. After obtaining the role, return here to verify and earn points. With just a few simple daily tasks, you have taken a step towards the opportunity to receive a valuable airdrop from a promising Layer 1 project that combines the AI trend. Don't miss this golden opportunity to potentially increase your account tenfold when Talus takes off. Are you concerned about the risks of scams when participating in airdrops? Are you feeling fatigued from trying to gather information on your own and haven't found a sustainable way to earn money? Worry no more. Through the content on the Airdrop Go channel, I will share practical experiences from my own journey, proven strategies to help you feel more confident, and enable you to withdraw your earnings to your wallet while maximizing profits. What are you waiting for? Sign up for the Airdrop Go channel now to conquer the world of airdrops together.